Hello, can see my beehives actually are now getting old, guys. Actually need new ones. Can see now these are really working on making honey in the next 6 months, 3 months. So I'll be harvesting again. One of the bees have actually stung me. It has actually led to something. I'm just feeling some. It's really painful, guys. This thing is really painful. So guys, not been able to take a video on the same about removing the honey, but actually next time when I'll be prepared and ready for that, man, I'll just take a video, a good video, showing you how actually we do harvest our honey. Well, guys, for those who have subscribed to my video, thank you very much, and for those who are still watching and have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my video, like, comment and share, and actually God will bless you abundantly. So thank you very much for your support, guys. I really appreciate your support. Stay tuned for my next video. Yeah, and continue watching, guys. Bye for now.